नंबर पर आपने कॉल किया है उस नंबर की सभी कॉल्स को किसी दूसरे नंबर पर डाइवर्ट किया गया है। जब तक हम आपकी कॉल को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं तब तक कृपया लाइन पर बने रहें।
Hello.
Hello, madam. Please speak to Mr. Chetan Gowda.
He's not there.
Madam, who's on the line?
It's wife.
Okay, actually, madam, I've got his number from one person called Nagendra or Narendra who's working in the fuel station.
What had happened?
Madam, I'm trying to light a cigarette in the petrol station and he's bloody coming and telling me don't smoke over here.
Obviously, you should not light the cigarette there, right?
No,
On
because
this
I am
number.
telling you one thing, madam. I mean, see what kind of owner he is. He's given the number and he's diverting the call to the wife.
No, maybe he's busy. That is why he's
No,
not.
because I personally feel that this person is not a reliable person. I don't know how you are even married to him and what you are doing in this relationship.
See, you're not. You just don't tell all those things.
No,
Whatever
of course I
there
will,
is-
madam. Of course
Sorry,
I will because I'm an angry
you have
customer.
no rights to talk to me about my personal thing.
No,
He's
no,
my
it's not
husband.
about personal, madam. I'm only asking you how are you managing with a person like this
Yeah,
in your
I'm
life?
managing. He's a very good person.
Now,
and he's
what is
very
he a good
reliable.
person? I think he's a rubbish fellow, madam. He's
Why
telling-
are you bothered about all those things?
No,
Why
how
are
can you tell
bothered?
somebody not
Why
to
are
do-
you bothered? Why are you bothered about my personal thing? Who are you to tell me about my personal thing? It's your if you have taken the decision, talk to him.
No, please tell me, does he give you enough time?
Why are you bothered about all those things, man? Bloody sir.
Please tell me how are you managing with a man like that in your life?
That's none of your business. That's my business and my fate. Why are you bothered about that?
You are like my sister, okay? Please leave him. He's not a nice person.
No, I cannot do all those things. Bloody shut your mouth and keep the phone. If you're there in the bunk, just stay there. Manager is coming and talking to you.
Hello.
Hello, sir. May I please speak Mr. Kalpesh?
Yeah, speaking.
Sir, you are dealing clothes, sir.
Yeah.
What kind of clothes you are selling, sir?
Shirting material.
Sir, I am actually wanting to open one shop my own, sir.
Okay.
Can you able to give me any material, sir?
Oh yeah, I can give you now.
What kind of material you are having, sir?
100% cotton fabric.
What kind of cotton, sir?
Egyptian cotton, Indian cotton both.
Is this the same cotton they are using in hospital, sir, to clean wound and all that, sir?
No, different. Egyptian cotton.
Egyptian, sir. You are got from mummy's face, sir.
Okay, who is this?
Nagesh.
Who is Nagesh now?
Nagesh, the cotton buyer.
Okay.
My friends also are calling me Gundalpet cotton.
Okay.
If I'm wanting to come and buy from you, what is the difference between your goods and other people's goods?
Mine is the best.
What is that, sir? You are the breast.
Mine is the best.
Left side, right side, sir. Sorry, please repeat that, sir. See, you're number one speaking incoming
Sure.
call because you're I know you will not make outgoing call.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Anyway, pleasure talking to you, sir. Your cotton is best, sir.
Okay.
You are the cotton king.
Thank you.
Did you go to Bishop Cotton, sir?
Hello.
Hello, is that Gavin?
Yes, sir.
Bloody rascal.
What do you think? What you think and all, it's all wrong. It's nothing.
Where is my daughter, Divya?
I said you she's gone to college.
How do you know she's gone to college? She's going from your house or my house?
Sir, she's never come to my house. Why?
You bloody rascal. You are lying to me.
No, sir, she's not come to my
Your
house.
brother just now has told me, tell the truth, otherwise I will call your father. I'm having his number also, 972-489.
Sir, she's come, but it's not like we both are alone at home or something like that, sir.
Who is in the house then?
Only me and my brother stay, sir.
So you have taken my daughter to your house.
Like when 2-3 friends are there together, we have come home, that's all.
Was she in your house this morning? Say yes or no. Properly say the truthfully.
No, today she did not come, sir. Today she had gone directly to college. She had,
I will call your father just now. We will talk to him also, okay?
Sir, listen, sir. No, sorry, I'm very sorry, sir.
1 second.
I got really afraid, and I'm telling you, sir, there's nothing between me and
I will
Divya.
put you in the jail.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Manjunath, please go for and arrest this fellow.
Sir, please, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
Put in the jail.
Sir, I'm very sorry.
He is taking my daughter for the home.
No, sir. Sir, it's not.
Why are you taken your house? Tell me that one.
She had brought some food, sir. Some dosas and was given, sir.
Mr.
Today.
Manjunath,
Sir,
what are you waiting for?
sir, listen,
Go.
sir. It's nothing. Sir, please, sir, please don't take this action, sir. Listen, sir, it's nothing. between
Manjunath,
us.
I am going to give you countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sir, I said I will not meet her again. I'm very sorry.
No, please.
I beg you, sir, please.
No, please.
Please, sir, sir, please, sir, hello. Sir.
Okay.
Hello, may I please speak with Mr. Kishore?
Yeah, this is Kishore.
Sir, my name is Joseph Chaco. I'm calling from your wife's advocate's office.
She's like, ex-wife.
No, the divorce has still not come through, right?
Yeah, we filed for the papers. It'll come through. What is this regarding?
Actually, sir, your wife was saying that you haven't come for
My
the...
ex-wife, Mr. Chaco. She's my ex-wife. Can you please stop calling her my wife? And I'm very sick. Can I please talk
Yeah,
about
but that
this
is what
another time
even
to
she
you?
was saying, sir. She was saying that you're a very sick person.
Well, I don't understand why are you doing this?
Let's please understand that your wife is my client currently, okay?
She is not my wife. She might be your client. You can do whatever you want with her. She is not my wife anymore. She is my ex-wife. And stop calling me a sick person just because she thinks that I am sick.
But you are sick, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. You have answered your own question. My lord, you have yourself said you're a sick person.
If you call me a sick person once more, I'm going to come and beat the shit out of you.
That is what your wife also told me.
I didn't beat her up. I didn't lay a finger on her. And that's the problem with these days, you know.
Sir, I mean to say sick person, sir. You are sick now.
Yeah, I am.
What is the problem, sir? Please tell me.
I think it's the weather, man, and it's just crazy. This cold and cough, and I can't. I've gone to the doctor and stuff like that, but I've just not got anything. Anyway, I apologize.
No, that's okay, sir. See, because
We'll
your wife is also putting pressure on us.
She is not my wife. She is my ex-wife. I do not understand how to explain this to you again and again.
Hello?
Madam, this call from dry cleaners, madam.
Where have you guys been? Am I என்னோட dress ரெண்டு நாளா you guys have taken?
Yes, madam. I'm very sorry, madam. Actually, 2 days I'm not down, madam. I'm gone out actually.
Arey, what is this? But okay, now எப்போ என் dress கொடுக்க போறீங்க? When are you going to give it to me?
I will come, madam. This evening I will come and give, madam. You are given 14 clothes, madam.
No, I've given 15.
Check பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், madam.
Arey, no sir, I gave 15. I only gave the clothes.
Don't argument, madam. 14 you are given, madam.
எனக்கு தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? I gave 15.
1 second, madam. 1 second. Check பண்ணியா என்னயா அது? Madam.
I've given 15, sir.
Okay, madam. You are given 15, but one dress is missing, madam.
Which dress?
Blue color one, madam.
Sir, that is a very expensive dress. அந்த dress எங்க இருக்கு? எனக்கு இப்பவே தேவை அது.
I will give back, madam, but you won't wear, madam, because actually, honest சொன்னா our that washerman's wife has worn that, madam, for party in her house.
How can the washerman's wife wear?
I'm sorry, madam. She has worn it.
Sir,
That's
உங்களுக்கு அந்த cost தெரியுமா? அந்த dress ஓட cost is 50,000 rupees.
Madam, I'll compensate, madam. I'll give you free.
50,000 rupees.
No, madam. Don't pay me the balance for this 14 clothes, madam. You just.
Milk aid would have been what? Some 700, 800 rupees? I want my dress, right? You have to get me a new dress. ஒரு புது dress இப்பவே எனக்கு தேவை.
If I take you out shopping, your husband will feel bad, madam.
Are you some kind of a joke?
Sorry, madam. You decide, madam. You want these 14 clothes also, or she is dying to wear this also, madam.
What? Hello?
Hello, may I please speak?
Yes, speaking. Who's this?
Good. My name Abdullah. I get your number from just.com.
Yes, hi Abdullah.
Well, this with regard to a massage. I want to know if you have a slot available.
Yes, actually I do. But which massage are you looking at?
Yeah, what massage do you have?
I have the Swedish massage. We have Thai. We do the aromatherapy. We do Ayurveda.
Well, I don't mind any massage so long as there is a happy ending.
So you do not talk to me like that, sir.
Why not? I'm asking you for a happy ending. I'm asking for a massage. I'm a customer. You are supposed to respect me.
Sir, this is India.
So if in India you don't give happy ending?
Sir, if you do not stop talking to me like this,
I can give you
am going
oil
to
well.
report-
You want oil well?
Excuse me?
You want camel? What you want to give me happy ending?
No, I am not. Me or any of are not going to entertain you at all.
We will
And you
give
do
you
not
a
entertain
gold
such
biscuit.
requests.
Sorry, gold biscuit if you want.
I do not want to continue this conversation with you.
Okay, I'm sorry,
You
sister.
do not know how to. You don't be sorry with me. You cannot talk to a woman like this.
Can we have a happy ending on this conversation at least?
I do not want to hear any sort of happy ending, and do not call this center ever.
Hello.
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವರು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಯೀಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಓಪಾ.
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಕ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಾದಿಕಲ್ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
Yes.
See, you're standing in the road and fighting along with the Tuluvandi boys.
On the road? What happened, sir?
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಪ್ಪ. ಬಾಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
हेलो
हेलो.
साहब सलाम अलैकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. कौन बात कर रही?
ये मेरा नाम असगर बल्को. तुम्हारे बाबा को मेरी दुकान को आए थे.
हाँ.
वो खोपरे की मिठाई भी बुढ़े के बाला खा को फ्रेश नहीं है बल्को. हमारे साथ रास्ते के ऊपर लड़ रही.
ने मेरे बाबा डायबिटीज के पेशेंट है. कहीं के बेचा जाको.
रे तेरे बाबा क्या वसीम अकरम है. देखो पहचान उन्हें डायबिटीज का पेशेंट बल्को.
देखो बात कर. मालूम कौन उनो? वसीम अकरम कहते.
रे कौन रे उन्हो?
रे गुग्गू मटूस ज्यादा बोले बंडे मार तेरी बंडी तो डाल तू रे
ए तो मुझे मारता है 1 सेकंड सर नोड़ी सर
ಹಲೋ
हेलो यस सर
ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಎ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್
Sir, what do you mean he has to wear a board, sir? That means everybody walking on the street should wear a board according to their body's health or what?
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್
If something happens to my father, I'm going to sue you and that Bandiwala, sir.
हेलो
Hello? Ray?
डोंट मेक सच अ सूइंग वॉइस ओके
ड्रामा करो नको रे गुज्जू
ए क्या रे करता है
रे केस डाल तो तेरी पे कुफुल डाला तू ज्यादा बक्या बाल
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रियाज है
हाँ बोलो भैया।
क्या ये कल मेरी बहन का ने क्या की गिफ्ट सब भेज को है तू
हाँ भैया वो फ्रेंडशिप डे के गिफ्ट
फ्रेंडशिप डे होता सो क्या नवंबर में कब माँ बदल गई है
नहीं वो ऐसा तो भैया
नहीं हमें पूरा नॉलेज रखो ही इतना बड़ा टेडी बियर भेज को है ना तो कई के वास्ते
वो उनको बहुत पसंद करके बोले लपटले को सोती
लपट लो सोए तो इतने बाल का एक टेडी बियर भेज डालता सो अनिल कपूर कुछ भेजना था तो
नहीं भैया
हैं?
क्यों भैया?
नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ तोहफा सोफा क्या वो
नहीं भैया माफ कर दो भैया आगे से ऐसा नहीं करता भैया
और
मैं
क्या ये कार्ड हम भेज को है
हाँ भैया मेरे खून से लिखा मैं
कैसा काटा आपने आपको
चाकू से भैया नहीं ब्लेड से भैया
नहीं मेरी बहन को तो लव लेटर भेज को है खून के साथ तेरे अम्मा बाबा का नंबर दे मैं फोन करके बोलता हूँ उनको तुम्हारा बेटा अपने आप को काट रहा बोल को दे नंबर दे मेरे को
नहीं नहीं भैया
नहीं दे मेरे को नंबर दे
भैया
नहीं दे नंबर दे
नको करो तुम्हें ऐसा नको करो भैया प्लीज
फिर कैसा काटा अपने आप को बोल रहे
रेटिंग थी भैया वो मिक्स कर को मैं खून में लिखा कर को बोला भैया
कितना चिंदी है ना तो लाल कलर के इंक के साथ लिख को खून बोल को है ना
माफ कर लो भैया आगे से ऐसा नहीं करता
नहीं 1 सेकंड है पुलिस करने दे रहा हूँ 1 सेकंड है 1
नहीं
सेकंड
नहीं भैया नको दो भैया
नहीं 1
please
सेकंड है
भैया।
ಹಲೋ
नहीं
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
भैया हाँ सर ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್
ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್
ನೋ ಸರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ
ನೋ
ಪಾಸ್ಟ್
ಸರ್
Then?
only friendship sir friendship
You are that fellow who's still having the music when you're taking a reverse, no, in your
no
car.
sir I only have bike, sir. No, sir, I have bike, sir.
Hello, namaskar.
Yes sir tell me
Myself is Mr. Nagaraj. I'm called from the Indranagar police station.
tell me sir
May I please be able to speak Nitin?
speaking sir
Yeah, Mr. Nitin, you are recently. Am I right?
yes sir
Okay. See, we have actually got a complaint from the spa manager there. Can you please? Yeah. Can you tell me what you have done there?
nothing sir just I got the massage and that's all nothing apart from
Are
that
you sure?
yes sir
See, I have your wife number along with
sir
me.
what happened sir just tell me no sir
No,
Don't
you
call her,
know
sir.
what you have
No,
done
you
there,
tell
right?
me, so you tell me sir please don't call her sir tell me what happened
What is happy ending?
sir I didn't mean anything wrong sir just I mean to say that just after the massage just call to just have a handshake that's all just to shake the hand to thank you her that's all nothing
You wanted to shake your hand.
sir please sir sorry sir
Eh?
please sir I'm so sorry sir
Being a Nanga, taking a Ponga, correct?
no sir please sir forgive me for once sir I'll not go again sir
No, the massage lady is here. You kindly speak along with her, okay?
oh, no sir, please don't
You're
take
such
it
a
other
creep.
way.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of
No,
you.
sir, nothing sir I'm just requesting you sir please sir don't do anything sir I'm extremely sorry sir
No, I'm going to call your wife and
sir,
talk
please,
along with
sir,
her,
please,
okay?
sir, please
Oh my
sir,
god, you
please,
psycho.
please take the case
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Madam, may I please speak with Radhika Agarwal?
Yeah, this is Radhika here.
Madam, on the 6th of February, you are taking a Emirates flight from United States of America to Hyderabad, madam?
Yeah.
Okay, madam, actually I'm calling from the customs.
Yeah.
And in your hand baggage, are you carried any gold coins, madam?
No, I didn't have anything with me.
Madam, please be very transparent and honest about this one because if you are going to lie means there will be many problems.
See, Mr. Nagarajan, I'm not able to understand what.
Madam,
this is
I am
all
asking
about.
you a question, madam. Tell me, should we put a
Obviously
travel
no,
ban?
right? Obviously, no.
Are you carried a gold coin?
I said no, Mr. Nagarajan.
Madam, we are having a proof, madam. I'm asking you one last time, madam. Please cooperate with me. If you are going to say the truth means you will close this case, you will just have a chat and that's all.
I had one with me.
Oh my god. First time I asked you why you said no, madam.
Mr. Nagarajan, I said I'm really sorry for what has happened.
Okay, I am also very much sorry, madam. Now we are going to put a travel ban against you.
Mr. Nagarajan, that isn't fair. I'm trying to tell you it was just one thing.
We are going to blacklist your passport, okay?
I understand. I totally understand what you're telling and I really apologize for it. I'm sorry about it.
हेलो मैडम
Yes, tell me.
मैडम साहब आपको वहाँ स्कैनिंग मशीन के पास जाको ही
हाँ.
ये काम करो तो मैं उनको चुपके ऐसा बोलो मैं एक गोल्ड काइन दे डालती हूँ बोल को
मैं उनको वो भी बोले तो ना उसको ब्राइबिंग वगैरह समझ के और कुछ तो भी केस डाले तो
नहीं डालते तुम्हें आराम से कर लियो मैडम
Hello.
हेलो
Hello, madam.
Mr. Nagarajan, please, I really apologize.
No!
Please understand
Why
that
I need to leave that one?
career.
3 kinds.
No, Mr. Nagarajan.
One in the pan packet, one in the cabbage, one in the chicken cabbage.
No, Mr. Nagarajan, listen to me. That's what. Please let me explain you. Then you can get it right.
No.
Mr. Nagarajan, can we settle it with some amount?
What is the amount you can be able to offer?
Somewhere around 5,000.
5,000, madam?
It was just one coin which I brought for my wedding purpose, Mr. Nagarajan. I expect you to understand that.
Listen, madam, you cannot cry, okay?
I have been trying to do that, Mr. Nagarajan.
Okay, just relax. Don't cry, please.
See, Mr. Nagarajan, as I was telling you.
Be a jolly.
I brought one coin, Mr. Nagarajan.
No.
I hope you can understand. I just brought it for
सलीम
my-
बात कर रहा हूँ सिस्टर
हाँ बोलिए सलीम साहब
क्या रहते हो
बहुत
तुम्हें
ज्यादा है,
हमारी
सलीम,
बात
नहीं होता
मेरी
हमारे में।
प्यारी बहनिया बनेगी दुल्हनिया
10,000 बहुत ज्यादा होते सलीम भाई 5,000 में प्लीज उनको आप भी मना लो ना
सर 5,000 रुपए लेकर खत्म कर देना सर
See, 5,000 is very less. Okay, I hope you're understanding that one.
Mr. Nagarajan, that was my savings of my stay there, Mr. Nagarajan.
Whoa!
Mr. Nagarajan, can we go a little higher? Okay, fine, 7,000.
Madam?
Okay, fine. Shall we make it to 10,000? That would be maximum, Mr. Nagarajan.
Okay, madam. Maximum now we are going to send it to this one.
Mr. Nagarajan, 12,000.
Madam, what are you doing, madam?
Can we settle it at 15?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, very good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name Nagesh, sir. I'm calling from Dr. Clinic, sir.
I'm busy now.
Hello, sir. Kindly, sir. Just 2 minute time. I'm
busy. I'm very busy now. I cannot speak. Please.
Sir, why are you shouting, sir, like that, sir?
Are you mad or something?
Hello,
Can you
sir.
understand?
Hello, sir. Kindly understand, sir. Why are you...
I'm busy. Keep the phone.
Sir, your tale is getting busy, sir. Kindly understand, sir. Please, I'm called to help you only.
Hey, तेरे समझ में नहीं आता क्या फोन रख चुपचाप.
Sir, please don't speak in Hindi, sir. I'm not understanding that language, sir.
Go and get yourself. Don't ever call me.
Sir, you are
Once
not
I
having
told you-
hair on the head. I'm trying to help for you, sir. Please understand.
I'm having hair on my. Come and take it.
Sir, don't speak nonsense kind of English, sir. Please.
Hey, bloody keep the phone. I'm giving a police complaint against you now.
What you will say in the police, sir? Please tell me that one.
Want to see now what you'll do? What
Sir,
you'll
I'm
do?
calling from Dr. Kindly understand, sir. I'm trying to
Go
help.
and yourself. Go and yourself.
Sir, please don't use such a language, sir. What kind of English speaking, sir? Sir,
Okay.
sir,
One
please.
second.
Sir, please speak in peacefully, sir.
Hey, ನೀನ್ phone ಇಡ ನೀನ್
Sir, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ, sir, please.
keep the phone.
Sir, you are wanting hair transplant, sir.
Phone रख.
Why are you going on using such a language, sir? Kindly speak with the kindly and the peace, please.
I cannot answer. Who are you now? Tell
What
me
we are giving you, firstly, we are giving you free air because you are not having hair on the head and then you are using
Who
such
is
a
this
language.
man?
What?
Who
Who is
is
this
this?
man? I am man only. Are you man? If you are man, why
I
you
am
are
a
not
man
answering
only.
the call? Why you are not answering
Why
call
should
then?
I answer?
What? Why should I
don't
answer?
unnecessary calls.
Oh, you are not answering unnecessary call. For you, hair on the head is not necessary then.
Not necessary.
What you are thinking? Your shock call. You are Mogambo from Mr. India. What you are thought yourself? You tell me. Bandli Talaya. Yeah.
Mara apni.
Please don't use such a language. Gotaita?
I'll use that language.
It is very
I don't
ornicorrect
care.
for your life
I
only.
don't care.
What you
Whoever
don't
you
care?
are, I don't care.
Oh, you are not caring. Who are you? Some Mother Teresa for caring people.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಇವರು ನಿಸಾರ್ ಬೇಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಹೌದು.
ಸರ್ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ BBMP ಇಂದ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು
ಹಾ.
ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೇವಾನಗರ್.
ಯಾ.
ಇದು ನೀವು ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೇಬರ್ಸ್.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಮಿಸರಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಯು ಸರ್?
Say, you please send that your technician.
ವಿಚ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ ಸರ್?
Your technician, one Muslim fellow is there.
ಅಸ್ಗರ್ ಸರ್, ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್
I don't remember his name.
Asgar is here only. 1 second. You want to talk our technician?
Yeah, give.
1 second, sir.
हेलो
Hello.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम साहब.
वालेकुम सलाम. कौन बात कर रहे हैं?
सर मेरा नाम असगर मैचंग का टेक्नीशियन.
हाँ, वो व्हाइट बाल वाले.
हाँ व्हाइट पाला मेरी चीज है.
हाँ, वो
अली
हमारे
जाको
घर
डे
को-
लगाया काला.
हमारे घर को आए थे ना तुम्हें वो.
हाँ मैं ही चाहता साहब.
क्या प्रॉब्लम तो वो?
नहीं हमारे BBMP ऑफिसर नागराज कने आदमी हम बोल को ही तो मैं इंटरनेट के लाइना सभी कट कर डाल रही बोल को.
कट कर डाली इंटरनेट के. कौन जी होता है इंटरनेट के वायरा कट करने के वास्ते?
नहीं आदमी हम बोल रही तो मैं बहुत
आदमी हम
एक
बोल-
जल्लाद के जैसा हैवानियत कर ले को फिर ले को ही बोल को.
कौन जी बोले? सब कौन जी बोले? काटे
जय की ऐसा लैंग्वेज यूज कर रही सो तुम्हें.
क्या लैंग्वेज फिर काटे?
एक सेकंड यारो ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಬನ್ನಿಲೆ.
Why are you using a language for
No,
our
language I
technician?
am telling you, he has taken money from us to repair everything. He has taken
Oh
money.
my God, he's taken a money.
Yes.
Bapali Asgar. Who has given you the permission to take a money, Asgar?
He has taken
Hello,
money.
sir.
Sarwarji.
Sir.
He has taken money
सर
from
तुम्हें ना
Mumbai.
साहब दिए सो
जय गोश्त को ले लोगे ना जी तुम्हें
ये कौन सा जय गोश्त है? हाँ?
बकरीद को गोश्त ले लोगे गए
आओ भाई ले गया काटा
हाँ, फिर?
बिरयानी बनाया खाया उसमें क्या गलती मेरी
मैं ले लगा को तुम्हारे जेब में भी डाल
सर,
दो पैसे
सर यूरिया मटन कोटीदार सर
Hello.
हेलो सर
Cybre, what is this attitude?
I am
How can
not-
you be able to give a money, say goats? What are you doing?
No, I have not cut. I am sitting here.
हेलो सर
हाँ
डोंट डू सच ए कटिंग वॉइस ओके
ए, क्या है जी वो?
Hello, Namaskara, sir.
हाँ, see, he
Nodi.
irritating me. Why should I cut the wire? I am who I am?
Sir, you are a beavers?
No.
Are you any woodpeckers?
Arre, my dear sir, you be there. I am coming there now.
You are
Within 5
faithfully
minutes.
Nagraj.
Hey,
कंपनी पर सुपारी.
Hello, may I please speak with Mr. Sami?
Who's online?
Sir, my name is Suresh. I'm calling from Nami Gym, sir. There's a small incident which has happened here, sir.
What happened?
Sir, your sister is such an idiot, sir. She's come and she's dropped 50 kilo dumbbell on the floor, sir. Floor is broken. That dumbbell has fallen on one fellow's head, sir. He's crying over here. Stop crying, pa. Stop crying. What is this idiot behavior, sir?
Suresh, you have to mind your language, number one.
No, sir.
Number two, I'm in a meeting.
Sir,
you have to give me some time, I'll come there.
Then what about this fellow's head, sir? It is broken
I'm coming
over here.
there.
No, please don't come anything. Please listen. See his head.
Yeah.
Please.
How will I see his head? Yeah, I need to come there, no?
Sir, don't tell. You will come here, sir. Please tell him. Please tell him. Please tell him what has happened. He's dropped 50 kilo dumbbell on his head, sir.
How did she carry the 50 kilo dumbbell here in the
Sir,
first place?
she's number one idiot, sir. She's carried the dumbbell. I'm told her don't carry.
I'll come there and I'll sort out your issue, yeah.
What to do with him? Tell me. His head is bleeding. He's about to
Please
die.
take him to a hospital, yeah. I'll come there and resolve your issue.
Sir, I will not take. We are putting police case on your sister, sir. You are going to file FIR.
You do that, I will come and I'll resolve
And
the
we
issue.
will put FIR on you for being such a terrible brother.
You're going to decide that, and the horrible brother, is it?
Sir, I am not deciding, sir. I am authority in this
Your
gym.
authority?
Yes.
What authority are you, yeah?
What authority? You are already dropped the dumbbell upon his head over there. You are not having any human faction, sadness, any emotion, action, nothing you are having, sir.
Like gentlemanly, I'm telling you, please take him to the hospital
Yeah,
first.
I'll
That is
throw
what he
100
needed
kilo
now.
dumbbell in your mouth. Keep quiet, man.
Hello?
Hello, Namaskara. May I please able to speak?
Yeah?
I'm calling from the Kamnali police station. Myself is Mr. Nagraj.
Tell me, sir.
What is this boy, Suhas and Jonathan, ma? You're knowing them?
Yeah, sir, I know them.
Yeah. What is the connection between you and them, ma?
Sir, they're my friends, sir.
See, be honest along with me, otherwise there'll be many problems. What is the connection?
Sir, they're my boyfriends, sir.
Both of them are your boyfriends.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ma.
Sir,
What you are saying? You are loving both of them.
yes, sir.
Oh, ma. What is this culture?
Sir, love no, sir.
In an age when you should learn how to draw a triangle, you are living in a triangle.
No, sir. This age only, no, sir. We can do musty.
So, you are messaging single or you are doing a group chatting with them?
No, sir. Group chat house, sir. Single only, sir.
And it is not pinching you that you are cheating on them, nothing.
No, sir. What?
It's
pinching,
cool,
sir?
it's enjoy.
Enjoy.
So, your parents also know this one.
No, sir. Why parents, sir?
Will you inform them, ma?
No, sir. Don't do that, sir.
Okay, hypothetically, if a Suhas is cheating on you, that means?
Sir, how will he cheat, sir? Why will
No,
he?
if he goes and gets one more girlfriend, that is a problem or no?
Yeah, problem, sir.
So, if you are doing both, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma, wonderful talking to you, ma. You are a...
What, sir?
Really, ma. Honor talking along with you, ma.
But what happened, sir?
Gorgeous!
Sir, what, sir?
No,
Sir?
in your honor, I want to play the boogli, ma.
What boogli, sir? Sir. So what, sir?
Hello, Namaskara. Your Saeed Rahman is speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm calling from the cyber cell. Actually, this is with regard to your post yesterday about the India cricket team.
What was, sir?
Kindly tell me, what is this? Virat Kohli looked like a dash before wicket.
Sir, it is leg before wicket, sir.
You are written leg or you are written another L word?
Sir, it was like before wicket, sir. Sir, that by mistake, sir. I didn't do it like intentionally, sir.
No. Are you played cricket in your life? I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not playing for India?
Sir, please, sir. Understand, sir.
No. What we are going to do now is,
Sir, please, sir.
I am going to bowl a ball for you. I want to see how you are batting this one.
Sir,
Okay?
sir, you might play better cricket.
No. Do this sound.
Uh,
Do it. Okay. I am going to bowl. No. Let me see how you are going to bat this one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm taking a run up now. I am KM. I am bowling 150 kilometers. You are playing so slow, rascal.
Sir, I just got out, sir.
No, let us try again now. One more. I am coming.
Okay, sir.
Hey, slower ball in bega ಹೊಡಿತೀಯ ನೀನು?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I won't do it again.
Go
sir.
to our
Please,
nearest stationery
sir.
shop.
Sir, so sorry, sir.
Take a blue color ink.
Okay, sir.
Drink that one.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Hey, how else will you bleed blue, man?
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಪಣಿ ಇದಾರಾ?
ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜು ಅಂತ.
ಹಾ
25ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಯಾರ್ರೀ ನಾಗರಾಜು? ನನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್.
ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು?
ನೀವ್ ಹೋಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುಡ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಕಿತ್ತೋಗಿರೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ. ನಾನೇ 2.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವ? ಹೇಳಕ್ ತಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್
ಪುಟ್ಕೋಸೋ ಗಂಡ್ಸ್ ನನ್ ಮಗನು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ, ಯಾವನು ನೀನು ಮಗನೇ?
Who are you for stealing love? I am asking.
ಮಗನೇ, ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು
Trans party you are doing.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ
What they are thinking?
ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ. ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಮಗನೇ. ಯಾವನ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? ಹೋಗೋ ಪುಟ್ಗೋಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ. ನೀನ್ ಯಾವ ಪುಗುತ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೋ? ತಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
Hey, don't say that one about Nagraj. From LA to New York, from Paris to San Francisco, Nagraj is the king. You know that one?
Whoever it may be, ಅವ್ರ ಜನ್ಮ ಜಾಲಾಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Hello.
Hello, Namaskara, madam. May I please able to speak Miss Rito?
Yeah, this is she.
Yeah, madam. Myself is Nagesh. I'm called from building security, madam. Is it a good time to talk, madam?
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, madam. This is actually with regard to your pussy, madam.
What?
Madam, that one in the home you're having, no, madam?
Oh, yeah. Tell me what about it?
Yeah, how old is that one, madam?
Oh, she's about 4 years.
Okay, madam. Actually, wanted to know if we can able to hire that one, madam.
Hire? For what reason?
No, actually, madam, in the building, madam, there are many mouses, madam.
Who?
Mouses.
What's mouses?
Madam, mouse.
Oh, you mean mice? It's a mice.
Yeah, not mines, madam. That is building, madam. Mouse.
No. My pussy is not up for these things. My pussy just stays at home. Sorry, that's not done.
Madam, that pussy also will get little action, madam.
No, I'm really sorry. She's very precious and she mostly stays at home. I can't send her out to eat dirty street rats.
Madam, there cannot be a homely mouse, no, madam.
Well, if there cannot be a homely mouse, then my pussy cannot eat it.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yes, sir. I just spoke to your colleague.
Yeah.
I don't think it's right
Madam,
that you can...
kindly give your pussy, madam.
Yeah, but how can your colleague talk like that? He doesn't even understand that it's not mouses,
No,
it's
madam,
mice.
he's from a village, madam. How he is going to know that one, madam? For him, it is under the houses, there is mouses.
That is ridiculous, sir. Please, I don't have time for such nonsense.
Yeah. Anyways, madam, are you in the home, madam, currently?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Madam, what I will do now is, I will just ask him for going on top and taking that pussy and coming down, madam. Okay? We will use and put him back inside.
No,
madam.
please.
Yeah,
I'm going to call
please.
Animal Welfare Society right now.
Yeah, you please do whatever you want. We are taking that.
My pussy, you
Yeah,
cannot
we are
do that.
taking it, madam. Yeah,
No,
we are
I'm
taking
really
it.
sorry, sir. You are crossing the line.